Gareth Boswell, University of Strathclyde Business School, United Kingdom.
Good afternoon, everybody. Today we're immersed in a crisis of growing economic inequality. By 2016, the richest 1% will own 50% of the world's wealth. Recognizing the threat this poses to sustainable development, the UN aims to decrease inequality in and amongst countries by 2030. The question is, how will this be done? The worker-manager executive ratio divides a company's pay scale into three ranges. The worker group is divided by itself for a ratio value of 1. The manager group is divided by the worker group average for, in our example, a ratio value of 2. And the executive group average is divided by the worker group average for a ratio value of 5. If we had to calculate the WME ratio for the United Kingdom, we end up with a ratio of 1:319. Today, in the world's fifth largest economy, 20% of the population are below the official poverty level, and top executive pay on average is 183 times the average of the UK employee. But what if the UK were to target a ratio of 139? Then, for 2 million of the lowest paid workers, their income would increase by 10,000 euro. 40 billion euros in income tax. The government could raise an additional 40 billion euros in income tax, and runaway top executive pay would be brought under control. But why would a company adopt a WME ratio of 139? Apart from higher productivity, increased trust, greater social capital, and more innovation, the answer is access to funds. I'll elaborate. Tax authorities can offer increased returns on investment in companies that have compliant WME ratios. This will drive up company share prices, and competitors will then also want to become WME compliant in order to get their share prices back up and increase their market capitalization. So what are the steps to implementation? The concept needs to be developed further by the OECD and the UNECE. And I think I'll leave it at that and give you some time to answer questions.
Yes.